A diver in the Czech Republic went for a swim under the ice. This baby bear's brother got stuck in a dumpster and the mother couldn't get him out. The police arrived and helped rescue the other baby bear. The inside of this mushroom turns blue when it becomes exposed to oxygen. These birds move in a mesmerizing fashion whenever a wave comes in and scares them away. All the cars moved over to make room for this ambulance in Sweden. There's a bed sheet that you can tear away whenever it gets dirty, or if you just need a fresh sheet.
A pet, or anything. Just simply peel away that layer to reveal a clean one below. Peel-aways is made from a non-woven bamboo fiber blend. Each sheet has 5 layers, and this means you can sleep on peel-aways for up to 50 nights. And they act as a mattress protector as well. Each layer of peel-aways is also 100% waterproof, so no spill or mess will penetrate to the layer below.
This poor dog doesn't know how to get out of jail.
Don't give up.
That's in this video. Hopefully I was able to make your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.